If you're flying into Athens, chances are you'll be getting a train from Athens Airport into the city centre. In this video, I'll run through the costs, train frequency, and anything else you'll need to know. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. If you're landing in Athens soon, you're probably wondering how to get from the airport to the city centre, and the airport train is so convenient and a budget-friendly, reliable way to do this. So, this is how you go about it. Once you've collected your luggage from the arrivals hall, all you need to do is follow the signs to the metro station. It's just across a pedestrian bridge. You can't miss it. It's very well signed and it's not a very long walk either. When you arrive, you'll need to grab a €9 one-way ticket. It's €16 for a return ticket. You can buy them from the machines or the ticket desk. The machines were playing up a little bit when we were there, so we decided to head to the counter and grab a ticket. It was super straightforward, and once you get it, you just need to make sure you validate your ticket before you head down to the platform. You'll need to hop on the blue line, which is line 3. This will go straight to the city centre. And you'll be probably jumping off at one of their main city stops. We jumped off at Syntagma Square. This is a popular stop and it wasn't a long walk from here to where we're staying in Plaka, which is also a popular tourist area to stay. The journey took us about 30 to 35 minutes and the trains run every 30 minutes. A few tips for getting the train: make sure to keep your bags close, especially during peak times. There are pickpocketers on the train and it does get very crowded as well. And if you have luggage with you, aim for the end carriage. There is usually more space there. A little tip though, if you are heading to Athens, you'll definitely want to see the Acropolis when you're there. But what I'd recommend doing is booking your ticket in advance. They have timed entry, and if you leave it too late, you might not get a morning slot. Trust me, the sun is brutal in the middle of the day. So book in advance and get the earliest slot you can. I will link below where you can pre-purchase those tickets. We hope you found this video useful in planning your trip from the airport to the city centre in Athens. It's a straightforward train system and it only takes 30 minutes and it's only €9. Just remember to jump on the blue line to head to Syntagma Square. And thank you so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.